Hello again, it's John Crotts with King Law, attorney and elder law specialist. Do your parents have an estate plan? Let me tell you why this conversation could help save your family from chaos. If you are raising young children and helping take care of your aging parents, then you are what's called the sandwich generation. And let me tell you, right there with you, one of the most important things that you can do is have a conversation with your parents. I'm not talking about dragging them to the lawyer's office. I'm not talking about trying to wing it and uh, put documents using online tools in front of your parents asking for their signature because that could get you in a lot of trouble. What I'm talking about is simply having a conversation with them about making sure their affairs are in order. Make sure they understand again that estate planning is not just for the wealthy. It's about helping every adult plan for what happens upon the eventual inevitable passing away that we're all going to experience. So it's about dignity, it's about clarity and protecting your loved ones. Without a plan, your family could face delays, increased costs, increased taxes, and just a lot of stress. Um, so let's talk about some different things you can do. So the core documents that we need are at least a last will and testament, something that says who inherits what and who your executor is going to be when you die. Any special instructions that they might have, maybe even a revocable living trust that could avoid probate, streamline things in the event that they become incapacitated or upon their death, keep family from getting bogged down in court in that probate process. Where are their documents stored? Do they have a safe? Do they have um, another place where they're keeping that, like a safety deposit box? What's the combination for the safe? Where is the safety deposit box? Do you have access to that? Do your parents have a healthcare power of attorney? Do they have a living will? If they have a healthcare power of attorney, who is their agent? You might be the agent for your parents and their healthcare power of attorney and not even know it. Or worse yet, they may not have one at all, which could lead to you having to go to court and get a guardian appointed for them one day. What about a financial power of attorney or a durable power of attorney, as we call them? Who's going to manage their finances if they're incapacitated? Do their financial institutions have a copy of this power of attorney so that in an emergency, the power of attorney agent can easily go to the bank and handle transactions? Um, what about life insurance? What about health insurance or even long-term care insurance? What types of insurances do they have? Where are those policies? Where is that paperwork? Um, can you access that information if you need it? Do they have bank accounts, retirement accounts, investment accounts? Um, you want to be able to manage that if need be, or know what to do when they pass away in terms of handling those accounts. So having a comprehensive list of assets, bank accounts, passwords, contact information. Um, do they have an attorney? Do they have an accountant? Have they handled their funeral and burial arrangements? Um, and where is all this information stored? Uh, what happens if they don't have a plan? Make sure you emphasize this to them. The court would have control over the situation in the event of their incapacity and could appoint really anyone to be their guardian. Um, there could be delays or expenses during the probate process. You could cause miscommunication. You could have family conflict, unintended consequences, things that they never would have wanted to happen, either uh, you know during their incapacity or upon their death. Uh, Beneficiaries accidentally disinherited because they failed to properly plan. Um, your parents' inaction today could actually become your emergency tomorrow. So have this conversation with them. We know it's hard, but it's necessary. And having a qualified attorney to actually help guide you through this is really essential. Don't try to wing it. Don't do it on your own. Um, give us a call at King Law for a consultation, and we can just start this conversation with you and help you have that conversation with them, or we can schedule a meeting in which we sit down and kind of explain all of these options to them. So know it's a difficult time for a lot of us that are in this sandwich generation, but we'll get through it together. And if we can be of assistance, please let us know. Thank you.